Now, to do a resection or an anywhere setup, you would go into one of the applications, as built, stakeout, layout points, or layout lines. I'm just going to go into stakeout. We hit our setup icon down at the bottom of the screen in the middle, and we're going to do an anywhere setup. This gives us our plate bubble. Hit the blue button or blue dot up at the top. We can enter our instrument height. In a resection, we can save the setup point as a control point if we check this box right here. And we can input our reflector height, and we can also prompt for check setup after a certain amount of time. We'll go ahead and hit the blue dot. Now, we're going to point the robot at the first point, so I'm going to point it at number 2. So in order to do that, I'm going to go up here to the prism bar. I'm going to do move and search, and I'm going to press the power search left option. The robot's going to turn until it sees a prism. Once it locks onto the prism, it tells me prism found up at the top. I can select that point and hit start. Once it takes the shot, I want to hit store. Now I'm going to turn it to the point number 1, so I'm going to do a move and search, and I'm going to use the left power search option. Tells me the prism has been found. I select point number 1, I hit store, and up at the top it's going to tell me calculated station within tolerance. I can go through this information bar and see the shot data. Gives me any deltas in distance or vertical. And then down here at the bottom, almost left, is a green medallion, like a green metal. I want to tap that. This is going to give me the residuals. So I can see here that my residuals are 0. It shows me the prism information for each shot. And if you forgot to put in the correct prism here, you could change it. And you can also change the prism height. So if you have a bad residual and you realize on this page that you put the wrong prism in, you can change it, and it will go, well, it won't go on here, but you can change it and it'll change the shot data. And then once you're happy with the residual page, you hit the green check at the bottom and hit the green check at the bottom again to accept it. This screen pops up, hit OK, and you can start laying out.